Racing chance is started with Captain Ball, break quick, little start, moving upon the outside, Canlaon, Red Cloud in between horses, then next online, Pasenciosa, Snake Queen, Charismatic, Wild Lady, Marilyn is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Captain Ball enjoying a 3/4 length lead. Canlaon is right behind in second. Red Cloud is racing in third. And in fourth comes Pasenciosa. Snake Queen. Charismatic comes next. Wild Lady. Marilyn is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo. We have Captain Ball by about 2 lengths. Canlaon is still in second, and in third is Pasenciosa. Moving up now to take for the Snake Queen, Red Cloud, Charismatic, and a long way back to Lady Marilyn, who's still racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. Captain Ball, Canlaon now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Captain Ball. Canlaon is on the outside. Captain Ball, Canlaon, Captain Ball, Canlaon, Canlaon, Captain Ball, Canlaon now doing the better over Captain Ball. Third close, Snake Queen, Pasenciosa, Charismatic, Red Cloud, Lady Marilyn.
6 horse, Canlaon, ang siyang unofficial winner dito sa race number 5.